Hello everybody, my name is Stevie Marchant and this is my wood shop. Today is going to be quite a short video, probably a bit boring for most people. We're going to be talking about the shop vac. Now the shop vac is probably one of the most important safety tools that you can own in your workshop. Not only can you use it to clean, obviously, you use it to hook up to your tools and extract a lot of the sawdust which otherwise will float around your workshop and you'll breathe in. So let's get started with it then. So just a couple of basics to begin with. It has a stainless steel or plastic body. This is the container that collects all the dust or water or whatever is going in there. These come in various different sizes. You can get little teeny tiny ones. This is probably a small to mid-range home shop vac. Probably wouldn't be very much good on a job site or anything like that because you have to keep emptying every 5 seconds. So like I said, these come in all different sizes. You've got the inlet hole here, which when you attach the hose, the dust will suck into. And on the back you have the outlet port, which is obviously, if air is going into the vacuum, air has to come back out again, otherwise it would just explode. The outlet port has a little foam sponge thing and a little plastic cage on the back. That's to stop the dust just coming straight back out of the vacuum again. There's a cable storage at the back as well that just wraps around. I hardly ever wrap mine up because it's always plugged in and it's always moving around the shop, so never use it. There are wheels on the bottom, so you can roll it around the shop and drag it behind you. Some models, depending on which brand you get or how much money you want to spend on them, have a little cutout here with a plug socket on it, which is a tool outlet. And what they call that on the tool description, if you're buying it from a shop, is they'll call it a power tool hookup or a power tool takeoff. And what that means is you can plug a power tool into the shop vac so that your tool will go wherever, or the vacuum will go wherever your tool goes. So there's usually a carry handle on the top. You'll have an on and off switch in an easy accessible place. This is quite a large button, so you can literally just hit it. You can hit. Usually when I'm using it hooked up to the table saw, I like to get any length of wood or an offcut piece and lean over and just try and hit it, just try and turn it off because my workshop's quite small. It's easier than trying to climb around my tools when they're all set up. So then, when the machine is on, the motor inside will spin, creating an airflow. The dust, dirt, moisture, shavings, wood, anything like that will come in through the inlet hose. There's a small plastic housing on the inside which directs the airflow around, which means that the air will go in and turn and then want to spin around rather than just going straight forward and into the filter. Said filter is inside. So what a filter does, it stops the sawdust from going straight into the machine and clogging up the moving parts, any electronic parts that are in there, any spinning bits that don't want to be clogged up. So it just massively extends the life of the motor. And that clicks on with these two clips here. Nice and simple. Obviously the shop vac will come with a dust hose, an extraction hose, and that simply clips on like that. And it gives you about 2 meters of flexibility and manoeuvrability. The end will come with quite a few different adapters depending on what model you buy or what you use it for. I have this little metal piece in here permanently because all of my ends, all of my attachments and everything that I put it into matches this black plastic end here, so I've always got to have the metal adapter on it. And the only attachments I use, pretty much similar to your household vacuum cleaner. I use this one, crevice nozzle, which is good at sucking up sawdust behind tools, underneath places like your drill press, your scroll saw, miter saw. It's good at getting underneath the tool. Plus it restricts the airflow, makes it a bit more powerful as well. Then, like I said, these will differ from model to model, but you have extension pieces, or you could have one long metal extension piece, and then there's your floor tool, which is pretty obvious, getting sawdust and things up off the floor. Now, the good thing about shop vacs is that, to quote Bart Simpson, they both suck and blow. So not only can you suck sawdust up and other bits of debris off your floor or around the workshop, you can detach the hose here and plug it into the outlet hose. So that goes on there like that. And then as the air sucks in and blows out this one, you can use it to blow sawdust off of the tool. You can move things outside and just give them a good hose down and it will just blast everything out. Very handy if it's something that's caked in sawdust, and you don't have to spend ages getting into little nooks and crannies and everything. You can just blow it. So the shop vac is quite a powerful tool. Not only is it used for sucking up fine sawdust and using to extract the sawdust from the backs of machines, it can suck up small pieces of wood. It can suck up things like screws and washers when you really don't need it to. And you can suck up water as well. Now, I'm not talking about sticking the hose into a bucket of water and it just sucks it all up. If you've got a small spillage in your shop, you can use it to get the bulk of it off the floor and then wipe it up and dry it. You just need to change the filter over from the bag filter that you saw on there to a foam one, and what that does is just absorbs the moisture before it gets sucked into the motor. Right then, demonstration time. Now I know what you're thinking. You've been waiting your whole life for somebody to demonstrate a vacuum cleaner to you. Yes, well today you're in luck because this is that video. Right. So, not only can you use it to suck up fine sawdust like this, like I said, it's very good at sucking up large pieces that you can't be bothered to pick up and put in the bin. Right, let's just show you how much it sucks. So turn it on. I've got my ear defenders on because it's quite loud. Now when I use it on the blow function, I like to put the crevice nozzle on there because, like I said earlier, it restricts the airflow, restricts the air passage and concentrates the force into one area. Right, let's blow something. Right, here's my table saw. The inside of it, really dusty. There's loads of crumbs, you know, yeah, obviously, around it. So I'm just going to give it a go over with the blower. Ah, the sun's in my eyes. I'll show you what it can do. Well, that was pretty stupid because now my workshop is covered in dust. And I'm going to have a very joyous few hours hoovering it all up again. So, just a quick word on price. This shop vac that I've just demonstrated for you today was about £59 from Toolstation. I got it when it was on special offer. Very basic model, it sucks up sawdust, it blows sawdust, and that's pretty much it. If you want a model with power tool takeoff, they are about £100, £120 between there. You can get more powerful ones, you can get ones with much bigger drums on, or you can buy huge dust extractors, the kind where you get a big bag on the bottom and a big bag on top, and I mean, I wouldn't be able to hug it and reach it all the way around with my hands, they're that big. They're probably anywhere between 500, a couple of £1,000. But they are dedicated sawdust collection systems that don't really move, and when they're on, you know about it. So yeah, if you look out for an Aldi special buy, if you get one second hand, they're really inexpensive. You look at about 30 quid for a simple one. I mean, I think Screwfix do a Titan one for about 30 to 40 pounds, a little plastic drum. But hey, if it sucks to be sawdust, who cares how many times you got empty, right? So that's all from me today on the shop vac. Very exciting video, I know. Just try and contain yourselves. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more super awesome, interesting educational videos such as these. Check out my Facebook page. I put random things on there about the goings on in the wood shop. Give this video a like if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it, comment on it. And if you could find a better shop vac video anywhere, about a similar, shop vac to mine, then I'll give you a mention in my next video. Bargain. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.